Hi, welcome back to Flash Custom Designs. If you're new here, my name is Shelly. If not, welcome back. Today I am doing a full start to finish with sublimation. Sublimation on a 100% polyester shirt. If that's something you're interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, post notification bell, and like this video so tons of other people can see it. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, sublimation, everyone's favorite subject, everyone's topic. They have millions of questions about. I'm just gonna do a quick start to finish. I have a shirt that one of my friends requested. So of course, this is a 100% polyester. Amazing, beautiful. I got it off of Amazon. I will go ahead and link in the description of this shirt. It's amazing, it's beautiful, it's kind of like a sportswear where it's easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. So we're gonna go ahead, our first step is let's turn on our heat press, 460 seconds. I'm at 350 because I was doing some HTV earlier, so we're gonna do our 400. And this is just going to warm up as we prep and get things printed and cut and things like that. Oh, I said 60 seconds. 460 seconds. Okay, let this baby warm up. Okay, and today's video features our sublimation printer, our beautiful S-Pen 2720. We do have a video of converting it into a sublimation printer and also refilling it. So go ahead and I would actually link those in our description so it's quick and easy to look those up. Today's paper, we are using A-Sub paper. That is also from Amazon, and I will also link that in our description. Very easy, quick links to go ahead and get what you need. This is sublimation paper, sublimation ink only from a sublimation printer. So let's go ahead and get our design, get it printed, get it cut, and press it. First thing we're gonna wanna do is go into our Cricut design space. And we are going to want to start a new project right here. If you're not familiar with the Cricut design space, you can check out my other video kind of walking you through that. We are going to browse and find my picture on the desktop right here. We're gonna do complex to get rid of the background. Preview, so we have some good sharp edges. So now I just need to go through these white spots and get rid of that white. Which technically, you know what? I don't need to get rid of that white because this is sublimation. I am tripping. So let's just do the back because it's going to print just like that. Okay, so we don't need to get rid of the back because we are printing. Let's go. We're gonna hit print then cut. We are gonna upload that. Let's insert this into our Cricut design space. And we are gonna make it as large as it can go. If you all know Cricut, Cricut does not let you go that large. So I think that's pretty much as large as we can go. Okay, so let's go ahead and make it. With sublimating, you do want to mirror your image. So we're gonna hit mirror. Perfect, so let's go ahead and continue. We're gonna send to printer. My printer options, I have a label machine, so definitely wanna find the right printer, which is our S-Pen 2720 series. We do not need bleed on. So we'll turn off bleed when we're doing sublimation. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. Let me load my paper. No bleed when doing sublimation. I had to just remember because I go back and forth. Confirm. So let's go ahead and hit print. We have our mirror, bleed off. Let's go. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Chelly, this image is so dull. How and why would you put that on a shirt? Don't forget, guys, with sublimation paper and sublimation ink, it does show dull on the paper. Once we press it at 400 degrees for 60 seconds on 100% polyester, these colors will pop. That green will pop, the red will pop, the pink will pop. Don't forget, the higher the polyester count, the better the quality of the image will be. So I don't have to cut this out. I'm definitely gonna take off the black box around because that is ink and I don't want that black box pressed on my shirt. So I'm just gonna take that black box. Cricut does not have to cut that for me. I can just take that black box out. There we go. My heat press just hit 400 under my shirt. I have my beautiful heat tape here. My cousin bought this for me for my business, for just starting off. She's so sweet. Go ahead, get my middle. Just a little bit so I'll know where my center is. Don't forget, heat tape. This is not regular tape. You can't press regular tape. It will melt. This is heat tape and it is meant for the heat. So I am just taping this down because sometimes the image will move once it gets in the heat press just because, who knows. So I'm just gonna press it down, tape it down. All right, she's ready. Are y'all ready to see the beautiful, vibrant colors? 60 seconds, 400. Let's go. I'm excited to see these colors pop. What about you? Do you think they're gonna pop? Comment down below if you think these colors are gonna pop. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Support your local businesses, support your local channels. Like. Don't forget to subscribe to my husband's channel, Straight Outta Content, Donovan's Domain, my son, and Flash Custom Designs. Don't forget to go to flashcustomdesigns.com. If you need anything made, please hit us up. IG, Facebook, all Flash Custom Designs. This is my new logo that I created. Do you like? I'm really starting to push it. I made decals for all of my coffee cups, made tons of shirt. I am rebranding. Okay, let's go. I'm nervous. Okay. You ready? Jennifer, I hope you like it. Hope you like it, girl. Okay. And something like this that I charged $20. Good, simple shirt, not very hard. $20 takes me about 10 minutes to make this shirt. Okay, I'm gonna take off the tape first. Okay, here we go. Ooh, the colors did pop. Nice. Oh, you need some more light on there so you can see. Let's bring it over here. That is nice. I just need to press it one more time to get that indentation out and ooh. Sublimation 100% in polyester. And it's just ink, so it's pressed right into the garment. Beautiful. Beautiful. And if you see the indentions, this is from the tape. I just need to take that off. It's a little bit of sticky. There's a little tape here. These are just, you know, little finishes that you have to do, of course, before you give the shirt. I'm gonna give it one good press, get these indentions of the paper out, which is all part of the game. This little sticky hairs here, I'm just gonna scrape those off. So it'll be perfect whenever we give it to her. Thank you for tuning in today as we did a start to finish with the Sublimation shirt. Beautiful Sublimation shirt. I hope Jennifer likes it. Please stay tuned for more content on Sublimation, more content on small businesses, advice, tips. I just did a video on 5 top tips of starting a business on a budget. Check that out. And I guess we'll just see you next time. Thanks. Bye.